Stockpile Hobbies.
Welcome back to Stockpile Hobbies. My name is Steve. I got Enzo with me. We are low on camera battery, but we're still going to do crash and burn racing. We'll see how far we can get, Enzo.
Yeah!
These are the cars Enzo has selected here. He picked a bunch of Tyco 440s. He's got a Lifelake, I think it's an M chassis. Then two Viper V1 V-Spec cars there, huh? I tried to match him as well. I got a bunch of 440s here, all the way to there. And then I got two V-Specs as well. This one's got lights and sounds. Should be pretty cool to see. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. And for the first race, we have Enzo in the Crimson Nightmare Firebird. I am in the Bandit Trans Am Tribute. Hard to drive, isn't it?
Looks like I got the W today.
So we got new controllers coming too, Enzo, and it should make the cars easier to drive.
Okay, good.
I know it's a lot of on, off, and there's no in between, but we'll see how much of a difference that
And
makes.
I won!
Yeah, good job. Give you a hit.
See what I got.
26.82.
You didn't even
anything about 13 seconds a lap is pretty good, so that's about normal. That was a good job. You didn't crash, you rocked it. For the second race, Enzo is in the Ferrari F40. I am in the Phoenix Haven Garage Silver Viper. We're running these cold. Wow.
It's like someone won it.
I tried to catch up, that's why, and it didn't hold on the turn.
I got the W.
Easy, fishtail.
I
It's when you least expect it. For the third race, I am in the yellow Lamborghini Countach. Enzo is in the supersonic silver and blue Lamborghini Countach. Took it a little too. Oh no! Too busy running my mouth. The camera's not in the red yet, but it's really close. I am in the supersonic silver and blue Grand Prix. Enzo is in the Blue Devil Porsche 933 Roker. That's what it is, I think. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. So I'm in a Tyco 440. Enzo is in a Lifelike M car, I think, or maybe T chassis.
Probably.
One or two.
Probably.
That's all I got. It's gotta be one.
What the?
You gonna push both? Go ahead. Here you go.
I won't go.
No. Substitute car, Enzo. Go ahead. Just grab a car. Grab another blue and orange car. All right. So we're gonna sub in the Trans Am from the Blue Devils as well, so it looks like the Lifelike car is not running. Yours work? Oh, well, that was you.
I just did.
Yeah, don't wipe out.
No.
Oh no! Oh no! Come on! Alright, next race. The fifth race, I am in the Mustang Interceptor. Enzo is in the lime light green Cuda. All right, so it's reversed because I spun it around. You did 27:04.
Yeah!
Now you had a higher time, but I bet you had a better reaction time. So they're considering it like a whole shot. Yeah. See, that's why. Because look at your awesome. You had a .630 reaction time. I had a 1.174. So that awesome start you had where I got stuck there really made a difference. All right, for the 6th race here, Enzo is in the Blue Devil Daytona Superbird. I am in the IWheels Viper Roadrunner GTX. Wow. Oh, man. Oh. Those fast cars are hard to drive in the first.
It even landed.
Yeah. So the camera light just went red. We just finished filming there. So we're going to end the video here. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the racing here. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. And keep having fun, everyone.
Press that button and subscribe.
So Enzo, what was your favorite car to race?
It was probably gotta be my Ferrari.
Yeah, 40?
Yeah. Or oh yeah, that's well. But also my Ferrari and this one.
Oh yeah, I did love it. There you go. The Daytona Super?
Yeah.
And why do you like those two?
Because I like that this one is like my name's like Enzo Ferrari and this one's just fast.
Oh, I see. Well, my favorite was the cop car. It was really cool hearing the lights and sirens. We're going to have to race that one again. And yeah, they're driving the IWheels for the first time, the one we just painted here, the Viper V1 V-Spec there. So that's fun. Yeah, let's do it again.
Yeah, I was going to say after when we did this race, but we cut the camera, but when I was about to say that I was going to get a speeding ticket.
Yeah, you went really fast, yeah.
I went like zoom.
You know, for a while there, yeah, then you were chasing the cop car after that, but you know, you're still beating. The cop car blew apart when it crashed.
Yeah, I went like, and then it landed like right here.
Yeah.
It was funny.